Welcome back. In the last video, we determined that it makes a difference for you to use an email from a domain that has already been verified inside of Amazon SES. That means then that if you're going to use domains in your email, you're going to want to, when you can, use those domains that have already been verified. So the same way that we use emails from this domain, if we're going to promote from a new domain or we're going to be directing people to a new website, it's a good idea to verify that domain inside of Amazon SES and then begin to use it inside of our emails. And again, remember, if you choose to go this route, you are going to want to put your domain in the verify new domain field, and then you're going to want to generate the DKIM settings, which you will then take to the DNS settings in your hosting account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.